Hello guys, my name is Osama, an engineering graduate of Rajki Engineering College, Kannauj. Here I am going to show you an assignment which is based on the design of tall building and is given by Skyfi Labs through an online course. In this tutorial, I will show you the approaches to analyze and design a 23-story building with the help of Etabs Software. Now you can see that we have a 3D view of the building in which we have 23 stories with varying geometry and the height of each story is 3 meters. Now let us come to the plan. In the plan section, from bottom to story 8 we have the shape like this. After that, from 9 to 14 we have shape like this. And from 15 to 19 the shape of the building is like this, and in the topmost part of the building the shape of the building is like this. Make sure that the dead load of 2 kN per meter square is constant throughout the height of the building, but the live load is changing from top to bottom with an increase of 0.5 kN per meter square. We also have given dimensions of beams and columns. The columns that have been used in the building is of size 500 x 500 mm, 550 x 550 mm, 600 x 600 mm, and the dimension of beams that can be used in the building are of sizes 500 x 300 mm, 550 x 350 mm, 600 x 400 mm. The material that has been used in our building is concrete, which is of grade M40, and the grade of steel that has been given to us is HYFT 500 and mild 250. The thickness of the slab that can be used in our building is of 350 mm, and the wall that can be drawn with the help of auto draw cladding tool, and the load of the cladding is 0.2 kN per meter. The wind load is considered of Bangalore region. You can choose the velocity of wind of any other region with the help of IS code 875 part 3. Let me introduce the brief overview of how we will approach the process. First of all, we will define the material properties and section properties. In the material properties, the grade of concrete and the grade of steel is defined, and in the section properties, the dimension of the beams, columns, slabs that have been used is defined. After defining, we will draw the columns, beams, and slabs with the help of grid. And after modeling, we will go to the assigning of materials and loads. The loads and materials that have been used in the building is assigned to the buildings sections that have been drawn. After assigning, we will go to the run analysis. In this, SFD and BMT is generated. The deformed shape of the frame structure can also be viewed. After, we will run for design. In this, we will check whether the member is able to carry the load or not. If the member is carrying all the load safely, then it will show a message that all members are passed. If it is not, then we will reiterate the process and the dimension of the section will increase. In the last, we will generate a project report which can be a detailed or summary report. In the detailing, we will get an information of the bars and the area of reinforcement. Now we will move to our, first of all, we will open the software, and in this, the project that we are going to analyze, we will open. As you can see that we have on the right side a 3D view of the building, and on the left side we have a plan view of the building. First of all, we will go to a define menu, then after material properties, and you can see that here it is add new material. By clicking on it, we will select here region, that is India, material type, that is concrete, and standard Indian, and the grade of concrete, that is M40. And then again we will press OK. Then here the material is defined. I have already defined M40 and M41, that's why it is showing M42. In this way we will define HYSD bar and mile 250 bar. I can show you how it is defined. We will go to add new material, and here we will select the rebar, and here we can select the grade of the concrete. And we will press OK. Now we press OK. Again we will go to section property, then after frame sections, here we will define the dimension of the sections that have been used. We have already defined beam. Size of beam is 500 into 300. Here you can select M40 grade of concrete, and depth and width 500 is defined and 300 is width is defined. And after that we will go to modify, and here we will select the longitudinal bar of HYSD 500 and confinement bar of mile 250. The cover and is of 25 mm and 25 mm. And we press OK, then we will click again OK. Like this we can define other properties of the beam as well, and columns can also be defined in the similar way. Then press OK. After that we will go to the section properties, and we will go to the slab section. Here we can define the slab by clicking on add new property, by selecting the grade of slab M40 and the thickness of slab 150, and pressing OK, and again OK. Now we have done our first process. Now we will move to the draw menu, and in the draw menu we will select quick draw columns. After that, from here we will change the property of column auto select. Then we will draw column on the grid. Here you can see that a column has been drawn. So by this option I have already drawn the column from where we have required. Similarly, we will go to the draw menu, and here we will select draw beam. Now you can see that a beam is drawn along the grid. Similarly, you can draw a slab by going where you can draw your wall. After drawing the beams, columns and slabs and preparing the model of the building, we will go to the assign menu, and here we will go to the shell loads. Then after we will go to the uniform loads, and here we will define the dead load, that is 2 kN per meter square, and we will put apply, then OK. Then after again we will go to the shell loads, then uniform loads, then we will select live load, and we will put the live load, that is 3.5, on the top surface of the building, and we will put apply and then OK. After that we will again go to the shell loads, and here we will select wind pressure coefficient, and with the help of IS code we will put a wind pressure coefficient that will be, for example, 0.8 or 0.25, which is given in IAT 875 part 3. Now, after assigning all the loads, that is dead load, live load, and wind load, and cladding load, we will go to the Analyze menu, and here we will go for Run Analysis. Now you can see that the frame structure is analyzing. The software will take some time as there are more number of stories. Once the analysis is complete, you can check for displacement values. You can see that where 84% of analysis is completed. You can see that the result on the right side of the software has been shown to us. By clicking on the right click on any point, we get a displacement values. So you can see that we have get displacement values, x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Here, going to the frame view, now you can see that extruded view of the building has been shown to us. Once the analysis is complete, you can check for displacement values. Now you will run for design. Once the design is complete, you will get notification that analysis and design are different for particular number of frames. We will go for design, then concrete frame design, and here we go for start design check. You can see that designing is under process. Once the design is complete, you will get notification that analysis and design are differ for particular number of frames. This means initially the software uses the smallest dimension of section from the auto select list, that is 500 into 300 for beams. Here we can see that 7 concrete frames are differ in section. So we will reiterate the analysis and design. The software will automatically increase the dimension of section from auto select list. As you can see that in our case 7 concrete frames are different. Now the software is asking permission to reiterate the analysis and design. By clicking on yes, the software will automatically increase the dimension of the section from auto select list. Here you can see that again concrete design check is being processed. After designing, after design check, we will go for the verification of all members. Now again we go to design, concrete frame design, then we will select verify all members. Here we can see that all concrete frames pass the design check. So we will put OK. Thus the design is now complete. You can check the design information of any member by right clicking on it. Here you can see that. Now go to detailing menu and click run detailing. Where we will get the information of the bars and the area of reinforcement. Now we will go to the reports and we will generate a project report by clicking on it. Here you can see that a summary of the project report has been generated. In this, all the information regarding the loads, the area of reinforcement, the steel bars, the stories of the building has been given to us. Thus, in this way, I have successfully designed a tall building project and also generated a project report which have all the information regarding the building project. In the last, I would like to thank Skyfi Labs for providing me an online course, and with the help of their tutorials, now I am able to design any type of buildings by using Etabs software. So thank you for watching us.